How to search for multi-city flights in kayak.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to book for more than one flight in kayak.com? Then I'll show you how to search for multi-city flights. Let's dive right in. Open up any browser and head over to kayak.com, and then in the home page you can see the return option. Tap on the drop down and select multi-city. Now you can see various from and to destinations. Now you can put your from destination, the initial one, and then you can set it to your destination that you want to reach to. Then now after you have put in the destination, you can see that it has been selected as a departure date already. Now you can put in your new destination, and now put your departure date is selected automatically again. Now you just need to put in your final destination and just put in the dates. So after you have selected the dates, you need to put in the class of your choice: economy, premium economy, business, or first. Just choose the class for each flights and then just hit search. So that's it. That's how you search multi-city flights in kayak.com. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.